Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Whatever time you're tuning in, I certainly appreciate y'all are here. This morning, I'm going to be going on a road trip down to Veterans State Park down at Lake Blackshear, Georgia. I'm going to meet Terry for the first time. He has a YouTube channel. Y'all need to check him out. Terry's Knives and Man Stuff. And I've got him some goodies I'm going to be taking him. Y'all check this out. Okay, we got him a sticker, one of my stickers. I've never opened IXL Made in England pocket knife, model number 41011. Got these in the state sale, guys. They are, I don't know how old they are. One box only had 1928. The next one, I got them a little pocket sheath, and I got a little Queen Whittler that I repaired. I picked this up at the 65 Mile Yard Sale in Morgan, Georgia. I repaired the tip on that, and I'm gonna be giving that to him. Also, because he really likes Queen, taking him this Case XX knife sheath. It's a great little sheath. I'm gonna be taking that to him because I think he's got a knife that'll fit that. And then there's a man here, a great man. His name is Mr. Lightner, and he makes cane syrup every year. And Mr. Terry loves cane syrup, so I'm gonna be taking him some cane syrup, homemade. It was made about 2 weeks ago. I think he's gonna like all this stuff. I'm gonna have bits and pieces of the meetup in this video, but he's got the full-length video of the meetup on his channel, Terry's Knives and Man Stuff. I'm gonna leave a link to the video down in my video's description. It's right down below. Y'all click on it. Y'all go over and check his channel out. You won't regret it. He's a great guy. Y'all subscribe to him. He's almost got 1,000 subscribers, guys. Y'all, he's real close, so y'all help him out. But he is a great guy. He loves knives. He loves people. He's so personable. He's just fun to be around. He's like a granddad everyone can relate to, that just loves everybody and can just talk to anyone. He don't meet a stranger. Y'all check him out and subscribe. Thanks again, guys, and I hope you enjoy the video. Y'all stick around to the end of the video, and I got a little treat for you. Another visitor, a special guest, that found something special today.
Hey y'all, welcome back to Terry's Knives and Man Stuff. I got a guest today. Look here who I got. The one and only Knife Doctor. What's up, Kevin?
What's up, man?
How you doing, buddy? How you doing,
Good to
buddy?
finally meet you.
Yes, sir. You too. Well, what I want to do is I brought a couple of little gifts for you.
I got some for you too.
And I want to give them to you.
Well, I appreciate that.
I brought you some stickers.
Hoorah, I like that,
because we all like stickers. And
yes, sir.
because I know a little bit of your history.
Oh man. Terry,
I've
I've seen that on one of your videos, man. You sure you want to give me that?
No, you're very welcome.
Appreciate it
You're
so
very
much.
welcome.
Appreciate this so much.
Absolutely.
I love stuff, man. I love USA made stuff.
Man stuff.
That's right.
Man stuff.
And Terry, here is your bag. I'm giving to you. I got you some goodies now.
Oh Lord, have
and
mercy.
there's one in there, and I'm not going to tell you what kind it is, but I picked up 2 boxes of knives,
Yeah.
brand new, still in the box. And one of the date, I'll have to show it to you. One of the dates on the box is from 1928.
Lord.
And I'm not gonna say what kind it is. You just find it. And
Oh Lord, have
I
mercy.
got you some good stuff in there, man.
What?
I found this knife at the Georgia.
Oh, that's boy, howdy.
You
found
high,
this?
high cotton 65 mile.
Yes, you did. Jam up and jelly tight. That's for sure. Jam up and jelly tight. That's so good right there. I believe you could put that in the biscuit and eat it. Boy, howdy.
When I was telling you,
Oh my goodness.
I have never opened this box.
I'm gonna tell y'all right now, he gonna make me cry. He gonna make me cry.
But-
Hey, you got me toe up, son. You got me toe up from the floor up.
I figure you'd appreciate it.
Yes, I do appreciate that.
And I appreciate yours so much.
Oh, Lord have mercy. Kevin, is there anything else that you'd like to say today? Because I don't want to draw it out too much, because some folks don't like to watch long videos. So
Right, yes,
I don't want to dry my.
No, sir. I just want to say that, since I've started my knife channel, I've not met any nicer folks. You know what I'm saying?
I do.
They're just so nice, and we think alike, we act alike, we like the same stuff, and it's just a camaraderie. Even the subscribers, they're just a great bunch of people,
Absolutely.
and it's a real. It gives me hope.
Yeah,
for the United States.
It does.
You know what I'm saying? It's just a few of the exhibits here at Georgia Veterans State Park here in Lake Blacksher, Georgia. U.S. Marines, hoorah! Here at Stripling's, Lake Blacksher. Best meat in town. Buy some fresh beef jerky too. It's so good here at Stripling's at Lake Blacksher. It's good. Terry's Knives and Man Stuff. I got a sticker from him. He's number 2 on the wall of fame. I got a special treat for y'all. A special guest. And look what this guy found today. This is my grandson Knox. Show him what you found today.
I found an arrowhead in the grass, in the dirt. It was laying on top of the sands. I looked at it and I scraped the arrowhead to see if it was, and I picked it up and started to run to my mom and dad.
That's a full arrowhead, huh, Knox?
Yes.
Can you believe that? He found a full arrowhead out here on the land. How about that? I've never found one out here, but he did. I'm glad that my grandson got to do that. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed that. That was my grandson. He was very excited. He's always talking about telling his dad he found a fossil, a dinosaur bone, or something like that. And when he scratched that thing up, he went running over there to his dad. He's like, Dad, I think I found a whole arrowhead. And my son, my Nick, my oldest son, he's 30, he just turned 33. He's like, yeah, right. And dang if he didn't. That boy found a full arrowhead. I was so proud of him. He's hooked now. I'm glad he found it. But y'all give old Terry a shot over there. Y'all go over there and look and watch that full-length video of me and him. It's about 20 minutes long now, but it's a good video. He's a great guy. You won't regret it. He's close to 1,000 subscribers, so y'all go over there and watch him and subscribe. But I just want to thank y'all again, guys, for tuning in. I want to say God bless y'all. And until we meet again, y'all be like a good knife. Stay sharp.